Coming here will give you a totally new perspective on what you can do and how you can do it.
It's very useful for everyone who's leading dentistry or who's working in the dentistry also.
This is for experienced doctor to go to next level.
Straumann created a program, Clinical Shadowing, with the idea to give a very deep insight into the clinic and clinic management world.
Of course, in the beginning, we didn't know everything, and this is it was like a first pilot just to see how it looks everything.
We had here a 2.5-day program. The first 2 days were dedicated to medical treatments. We've seen all kinds of cases, implantology in general.
In between operations, so we have a few minutes just discuss what we have done or what we are going to do in the next operation. Also, I just try to open different other clinical cases and exactly discuss all clinical issues and tips and tricks, also what we're using.
You can see the everyday workflow in the clinic, and you can be as a part of the operation team, not online, not for pictures, and you can ask just now with the operation from the surgeon.
The third day is with our manager, Šarūnas Perminas. He is really the best one in the knowledge of how to manage clinic, how to manage dental business.
It was hard to expect that, some advice would fit everyone, because the people come from different countries with different problems, different market conditions. But it seems that the dentistry has more or less the same problems. It's maybe the stage of the clinic development what is different, but the problems of management are the same.
We had access to a lot of info, which gave me a totally different perspective on how dental clinic can evolve and how some problems can be approached and solved, or in many cases prevented.
Being three people, three participants only, it's very close group, it's very personal approach and discussion, and also discussion about the questions, what are most important for participants right now, right today.
I expected practical tips, tricks, and to do clinical work what I can use for everyday practice.
This program puts it all together and makes you understand the way a big system like this works.
It was amazing from every aspect. I like very much the practical tips and tricks because it's very useful.
I liked every hour, I can say, of this journey.